In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Boba AI, which is a text-to-anime generator. In order to use them, you just need to head over to their site, which is boba.video. You can see right here it's the best AI anime video generator. Just need to input right here your prompt. I have in here this ready prompt, which is a dog jumping across a field with a ball in his mouth. So in order to generate it, proceed to click on the generate button that will appear, and after that you will be prompted to sign in. Let's head over and sign in first. Once you have signed in, this will load right here the generations tab for you. So for this case, just wait for this to actually load. We have in here the generate video. You can expand this to actually add right here some video tools like you can generate with from image, you can use effects and the likes. For this case, let's just use this. And for the duration, let's make it 3 seconds. And let's click on send right here once you're done with this. Now this will generate a particular video that we're talking about, and you just need to wait for this to actually be finished. You can see right here the estimated completion time, and once it's done, you should be able to view the video itself. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.